Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Noguera and I have another fun creative photography video for you. And this one we are going to be capturing images like this using two items. One of them being a book. I'm pretty sure you have one of these laying around in your place that you can use and follow along. And then the second item is an LED light panel similar to this. Now, this you might not actually have, but chances are you do have some sort of smartphone that will actually produce pretty much the same result using the light coming from your screen. So without further ado, I'm going to walk you through how I got this shot so that you guys can try it yourselves. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So if you didn't already put these two items together, what I had the model do was hold the book and the light inside the book to give this glowing effect right out of the book. Now it did take some finessing to get the angles right, simply because there was a lot of reflections coming off of her glasses, but I really did want to keep the glasses because I felt it added to the image in a nice way. So I kept changing my angle, as you can see here, just trying to eliminate that glare as best as possible. It's really important to really pay attention to your lighting, especially in a scenario like this when you're really trying to set the mood. So to accentuate the light coming out from the book, I had to make sure everything was quite dark in the ambient areas around the subject here. But you can see that I did set up quite a soft light just as a rim right on her hair, just to add some separation and some depth to the image overall. But we wanted everything quite dark so we could have accentuated the light coming from the book itself. And guys, that is going to effectively wrap up this creative photography video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel continue to grow. And as always, we have some really awesome contests going on over at ViewBug.com that you guys can enter in and potentially win some really cool prizes, not to mention get exposure worldwide. So if that is something you're interested in, go ahead and check the links down below. Now with that said, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.